Look no further than the 2018 Jeep Cherokee. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Jeep Cherokee, the stylish midsize SUV with sleek lines, ample cargo capacity, rich interior appointments, and advanced technology that keeps you safe and secure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, rear spoiler. Feel relaxed and confident when you set out for adventure in the Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.